Welcome, in this video we are going to learn Ncat. It's an information gathering tool in Linux. Ncat or Netcat is a feature-packed networking utility which reads and writes data across networks from the command line. Ncat was written for the Nmap project and is a culmination of currently splintered family of Ncat incarnations. It is designed to be a reliable backend tool to instantly provide network connectivity to other applications and users. Ncat will not only work with IPv4 and v6, but provides a user with virtually limitless number of potential users. Ncat is also known as Swiss Army knife. We can write Ncat or NC while running the command options. So don't be confused if I will use different name for Ncat. Simply we can understand what Netcat does. It opens the connection between two machines and give back two streams. Let's open the terminal and type ncat -h. You can see that Ncat version 7.48, basic usage of Netcat, Ncat options hostname, port, options taking a time assume seconds, append ms for millisecond, S for second, N for minutes, and H for hours. Let's see the options. -4 use IPv4 only, -6 use IPv6 only, -U -Unix sock use Unix domain sockets only. Let's listening on any TCP or UDP port will learn to act as any server with Ncat. Let me clear you some command option which we are going to use here. -L option will help it work in listen mode. -P option will mention which port to listen. -V option will make it interactive on Linux server, and the syntax is ncat -lvvp port. So let's type ncat -lvvp 25. Here we can see that Ncat version 7.4 listening on 0.0.0.025. So that's it in this video on Ncat information gathering tool. Thank you for watching this video.